Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and today's video we will gonna make caramelized foxnut and the peanuts. I know you guys must have tried the caramelized popcorn, but caramelized makhana is the best and is the healthiest option. So I'll start adding 1 tablespoon butter in a pan and followed by 1 cup peanut. So I will roast it for 1 minute. Then I'll add the makhana, or you can call it foxnut. I will add 2 cups of makhana and let it roast for another 1 minute. The total time is 2 to 3 minutes. Whenever you see the brown spot on the peanuts or in a makhana, that means your makhana is properly roasted. Or else you can check the makhana, like when you break it out and you hear a crunch sound, that means makhana is roasted properly. So I will also let it cool for another 1 to 2 minutes. Again, I'm adding this ghee in the same pan and along with 1 cup grated jaggery. And jaggery is also the great option for caramel, and you can totally skip it if you want to make caramel with sugar, so you can use it that also. But if you wish, you could use sugar, or you could totally skip. But we wanted to make it more healthy, so we'll substitute sugar. Now I will add sesame seed, fennel seeds, little salt just to balance out the sweetness of this taste, and a little bit of red chili powder. It will spice up and also add color to our makhana. So just we'll make caramel and we'll allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes until it turned into nice caramel consistency. So as you can see, our caramel is almost ready. So let it cook for 1 to 2 more minutes. Do not overcook. So if you will overcook it, it will gonna stiff. It's not going to become a crunchy caramel or crunchy makhana. So caramel is ready, and now I'll add makhana and peanut into this and make sure each makhana and peanut should coat it in this caramel sauce. Now we'll turn off the flame and allow it cool for 10 seconds, not more than that, because it's going to stick on this pan and it will not come out. So, or you can keep it like this only, like if you want to store it in a bunch, you can store in a jar and you can scoop it out and have it. But we will separate it, each makhana and peanut, so you can store it for 10 to 15 days, and it is a really nice healthy snack. You can have it as a snack, or whenever if you feel craving at nights, you can have these also without any like fear that you will gain more weight. So that's it for this video. If you really like our channel, please subscribe, like this video, comment and share this video, and let us also know if you try these makhana, and give us comment that which video you want to see next. And I want to give you another, it tastes really well and more than your regular popcorn, and it is healthy also. So guys, please do try it and do let us know in the comment section box. So we'll see you soon, and bye bye.